gentlemen and young children. Happy 69th Independence Day to all of you. Thank you very much for asking me to share my experiences of Independence Day, 15th August 1947. I was only an 11-year-old girl growing up in Mysore and with my younger sister and under the care of my grandmother. So I was studying in Good Shepherd's Convent. I thought I'll share these aspects. The days leading to Independence Day, the Independence Day itself, and the days soon after independence. The days my grandmother was very much interested in politics. So she pushed us to participate in all processions, morchas, which were taken out during the freedom movement. We were very excited. We just wanted to shout the slogans, which was always in the air. Mahatma Gandhi ki jai, Hindustan hamara hai, dur hato, end British rule. These were the things that we were shouting. Our excitement was only to participate in these morchas since schools were closed and we didn't understand anything about freedom. But we got to shout these slogans wearing a white dress and a Gandhi cap. That was very interesting for us. This went on almost every day till there was a circle in Mysore called City Lights. There, one young boy and student, he was shot by the police during this morcha. That was a very, very sad thing. We all felt very sad. But it stopped our participating in the processions. Grandmother said, no more processions. You will sit in the house and listen to the radio. Radio was the only means of communication for us. Newspapers and radio. So we would listen to the radio about the freedom. Everywhere it used to be national songs coming and speeches going on by the great freedom fighters and such things. But we made it a point to go to Jagan Mohan Palace in Mysore, where all these leaders would come. I have heard even Mahatma Gandhi. I have heard Maulana Azad. I have heard Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and so on. And some local freedom fighters, a little local freedom fighters of Mysore. Even Yashodaramma Dasappa, she became a minister later, and many more. Once the British announced that they were going to actually quit India, the mood turned festive and the focus turned to preparations for the big day. One song I remember very well, that is Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara Hai. So when all this happened, we were only thinking about freedom, our way how to celebrate Independence Day. These were our objectives at that time. And being a young girl, I would just run and go with all the elders to see what they were doing. So at the stroke of midnight on 15th August 1947, we were all glued to the radio and we heard that Jawaharlal's first speech. Not that I understand much, but I did hear. So listening to the radio this is how I spent that night. Whole night I was glued to the radio, listening to the happenings in Delhi and even in Mysore. I don't know, in other places too, perhaps the celebrations were going on. All the houses, the tricolor flew on all the houses, all different sizes of tricolor. It was going on. It took such a festive mood on that day. The sweets were distributed all over, and because Hindustan was Hamara. Schools resumed immediately, and though my school was run by a foreigners, normal classes started. Discussions on Independence Day continued in the school. I was excited when Rajgopalachari was made the first Governor General. For me, it was really fun because the thrill was that I will not have to read any British names will enter our Indian history books. So we were only reading about Lord William Bentinck, Lord Hastings, Lord Dalhousie, such things, from Clive to these people. But after 47, I thought, henceforth, we will not have any such names. We will have our Indian names coming into it. I congratulate all. This was what my 11-year-old mind, one 11-year-old mind thought on that day. I congratulate all the citizens of India on this 69th Independence Day celebration. I wish them all the very best. I also want to salute all the freedom fighters of our armed forces who have since sacrificed everything to keep our freedom in order. Jai Hind. Please repeat after me. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you. You can see the childlike reaction after so many years. That's the power of independence. And I think